Hello friends, we are continuing with the working capital concepts. In this lecture, we shall see the sources of finance for working capital. What sources are used by a business firm to finance working capital? Friend, sources to finance working capital can be long-term sources or these can be short-term sources. Long-term sources means those sources which remain available for a longer period. Longer period means for a period of more than 1 year. And short-term sources are the sources which are available for a period up to 1 year. These short-term sources, normally we call them current liabilities. So working capital is financed from two types of sources. One is long-term sources, another is short-term sources. First, let us see various short-term sources. Short-term source first includes trade credits. A business firm is doing business. It is purchasing raw material or purchasing consumer durable goods for further sale, and it gets credit from the seller, from the supplier. So trade credit, that is the credit made available by the supplier of those goods, is an important source to finance working capital. Second, accrued expenses. Certain expenses which are incurred by the business organization, but those are not paid till some time period. For example, wages and salaries, these are paid after some time. Similarly, electricity bill or utility bill, they are also paid after some time, but services are availed in between. So these expenses which are to be paid later on, though are also sources to finance working capital. Then different type of provisions. Provision for bonus, provision for tax, provision for other items. So those also finance working capital till payment is made. And advances from customers. In certain cases, the sellers insist on getting advance from customers to whom those goods are to be sold. So those firms which are getting advance from their customer against the sales to be made, so those advances are also a short-term source to finance working capital. Short-term bank advances. So working capital loans, working capital limits called short-term bank advance, short-term bank loan is an important source to finance working capital. Now, these short-term bank loans, these can be in the form of cash credits, these can be in the form of overdrafts, these can be in the form of bills purchase or bills discounting. In case of export activity, these can be in the form pre-shipment loans or these can be in the form of post-shipment loans. So short-term bank advances, this is very important source of financing working capital, and this can take various shapes. Now, certain new and innovative sources. In the recent years, certain new and innovative sources to finance working capital are also available. Commercial papers. So large companies raise money from the market by issuing commercial paper up to a period of 12 months. So that becomes a source to finance working capital. Similarly, there are certain firms who are offering the factoring services. Factoring services means discounting of receivables, discounting of book debts. So they discount book debts and make payment to the seller firms and they recover the money later on from the buyers. Similarly, another source could be convertible debentures. So large companies issue commercial papers, they also issue convertible debentures. So all these are short-term sources to finance working capital. And long-term sources include the net working capital. So net working capital is internal source. So net working capital or surplus of long-term sources over long-term usage. So this money remains available to finance working capital on a long-term basis. Hence, this is part of long-term sources. Well, friends, I'm sure you will be able to understand the distinction between short-term sources and long-term sources and overall different type of sources which are available to a business organization for financing working capital. Thank you for watching the video.